Hey guys, do you want to know how to make a cheap headless on Roblox? All you have to do is like and subscribe and follow the tutorial. So go to your avatar page. Here's the first way on how to make a free headless, guys. So for this, you need 3 items. This is how you make a cheap headless. Then we're going to move on how to make a free headless, guys. So what you want to do is buy the cyber mask, 50 Robux. And then you want to buy the fuzzy black bear hood. Then you want to buy the black messy hairstyle. This does the trick. If you go to your avatar page and equip all these items, this is how it looks like, guys. If you zoom in closely, this looks like, if you even zoom out, this looks like a headless. But if you even zoom in, like you can see the head, but if in this glitch you can't. This is how you make a cheap headless with Robux. If you want to know how to make a cheap, if you want to know how to make a free version, what you want to do is just buy the City Life Woman and then equip that orange beanie with black. And what you want to do is once you equip this, and that's like another way on how to get free headless. Like this is how you make a free headless, guys. But if you go to your body and click on skin tone and go to scale, your head size, go to R15 and make everything height and everything like this and click on R6, switch 3D, and there you go, guys, you got yourself free headless. For the next method I use is this is like a cheap method. You only need 85 Robux for this method. I would just say you need 135 Robux, and you want to just equip this, guys. You can equip this. This is 85 Robux on how to make a free headless, or you can equip the mask if you want to make it like you. If you don't want people to see that, if you don't want people to find out that you have like you're doing a fake glitch, this mask will do the trick, guys. So you only need to spend 135 Robux, and this is the output. The output looks nice. Everything looks good. Let's go check it out how it looks in a game, in an R15 game. Let's reset ourselves. And let's see how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like since my avatar is small. So, and basically that's it. This is how your avatar should look like. You have a mask and people can see you have headless. Like if you're running around, people might think you have headless because people can see your head. And there you go, guys. These are the methods I used on how to get free headless.